it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late.
Hey, welcome to Approved to Move, you guys. I'm standing in Ocala, Florida, in a beautiful brand new construction home, 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom. Wait till you hear what this builder has to offer you towards your closing costs. See you soon.
Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Welcome to Approved to Move. I'm Chelsea, your realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty.
I'm Brittany, your lender with Homestar Financial.
This beautiful harbor model home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 2,400 total square feet, and it's being offered at $369,000.
Super good price.
It is. I mean, like she said, granite countertops, soft close cabinets. They really took it to the next level with the details. A lot of builders are not doing that in brand new homes anymore,
Yeah.
and they really did do the extra nice details.
Stainless steel appliances too.
We are so excited to show you guys this house. So let's go take a look and get you approved to move.
Woohoo!
In here we have beautiful cathedral ceilings, great open floor concept. You've got the dining area over here, big huge island, more counter space on the other side. The living room is huge. It's got these beautiful French doors. This view is amazing. All you see is big open field, and we are right in the middle of town. You are 5 minutes away from the mall. We're right off 200, but it's quiet, still yet so close to everything that you would ever need. This is the place to be if you want to live in Ocala, for sure. Come check out the primary room, guys.
Woo! Look at this. Welcome to the primary bedroom.
This is where the magic happens. This room is 16 feet by 12 feet. So, I mean, this is a big primary.
It is. Woo!
Look at this primary bathroom. Oh my gosh, we've got the big soaking tub, the walk-in shower.
Giant walk-in shower. You could have a party in here.
Yes. Now we both could definitely fit in here and shower. Plenty of room for both of us. Oh, you need the soap, honey? Let me wash your back.
Please.
Yes.
Thank you.
His and her sinks, his and her walk-in closets. I mean, these are nice.
Look at this.
Wow, right?
This is great. I can fit so many shoes in here.
For sure. I can just see it now.
Me too. Plenty of room.
Yes, you can get a lot of Louboutins in these closets, ladies.
Yes.
I love that it's got the water closet, so you know if he's in here taking a shower, she wants to soak, you can close that door and you don't have to smell them going to the bathroom.
That's right, y'all.
I love that they decided to go with the pocket door for the water closet. That gives it so much more room than having the door swinging in and out.
Let's take you to the rest of the house. It's a true split floor plan, which is awesome. Come on and check it out. Pocket door here. So if you are trying to put the kids to bed early one night and you want to still watch TV out in the living room, you just close this pocket door. And then they can't hear the TV playing, or you guys, you know, having dinner, drinking your wine, enjoying the evening without those children. Got a nice little utility closet right here off to the side. We got the 3 bedrooms on this side of the house, one over here, and then these 2 have a Jack and Jill bathroom, which I love that. So cool. This bedroom would be perfect for an office. It's front of the house. You have a beautiful window to look out of, a smaller closet to fit whatever you need in, and it's just peaceful in here. I love this space. Perfect for an office.
Come on into the other 2 rooms. that, like I said, share this bathroom. You have the double vanity sinks in here. Also, the water closet with a tub and shower. So if one of the kids are getting ready in the morning, brushing their teeth, all of that, the other one can be going to the bathroom or taking a shower, and you don't have to be bothering each other. It's perfect. This bedroom has a walk-in closet as well. So the other two have just normal size closets, and then this one has a walk-in. So if you got that teenage daughter that's always complaining about needing more space, this one would be for her.
It's all too late. It's all too late. All too late. It's all too late. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head. I can't get it out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Lately it's hazy. Oh, I almost touched the ground. Touched the ground. Oh, I touched the ground. Touched the ground. Touched the ground.
The best part is the builder is willing to offer you $10,000 in credits, or they will buy down your rate with the lender of your choice, aka Brittany, down 1.5%.
We could buy your rate down into the low 6s, higher 5s. You're not getting that right now anywhere. So it's a really great offer, really great deal. And the house is gorgeous. 4 bedrooms, 3 bath. Who doesn't want a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home?
Right, and 3 full bathrooms. But question, Brittany, with buying the rate down 1.5%, what kind of difference does that make in your payment?
A huge difference in the payment. Like, it can mean hundreds of dollars a month. It makes a huge difference. It just depends on what loan type we go with. This home offers USDA financing, which is 0 money down. We can also pair that with Florida's housing down payment assistance program. You literally could close with 0 money out of pocket. It's a huge deal. So definitely call me if you have any questions regarding this home or financing.
Yes, all of our information is linked down in the description, so you can get a hold of us any way through that.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. Comment, let us know if there's anything that you guys want to see that we haven't shown you. We like to go in new homes and show those, so if there's anything else you guys would like to see from us, let us know.